Ibrahim Amirun, and I would like to share my research on the Industrial Revolution 4.0 Skills Framework. Industrial Revolution 4.0, or IR 4.0 for short, has had a reputation of threatening routine jobs to become obsolete. This is due to the use of IR4 technologies that require workers to have a skill shift to more complex tasks of problem solving and in analyzing data and situations at the workplace. Although there have been efforts in updating tertiary education curriculum, most of the curriculum is updated for fields of ICT and engineering, as compared to other fields such as services, management, arts, and the like. Because of this, individuals in fields other than engineering and ICT have less exposure to IR4. Based on document analysis, it is apparent that there is still insufficient research conducted on IR 4.0 skills that are required in a wider range of industries. There is also a lack of research that tries to identify how IR 4.0 technology and occupational levels might influence the type of skills required in an IR 4.0 working environment. The Technological, Organizational, and Environmental Framework, or TOE for short, developed by Tonetsky and Flesch in 1990, was selected to be referred in this research to explore the context that might influence the skills required in a working environment applying IR4 technologies. This framework studied how technological, organizational, and environmental contexts affect the acceptance of technological advancement in an organization, wherein they studied is IR 4.0. The TUE framework is reflected in the conceptual framework by the independent variables, which are 4.0 technologies, which reflect the technology context, type of industry clusters, which reflect the environmental context, and finally the occupational levels, which are the third independent variable and reflect the organizational context of the TOE framework. This framework will be used to explore which variables influence the type of skills required in an IR 4.0 working environment, thus making IR 4.0 skills as a dependent variable of this research. It is hoped that the final outcome of the IR 4.0 skills framework, based on further data collection and analysis using the sequential exploratory mixed methods approach, will result in a framework that can be referred when updating tertiary education curriculum for all three main industry clusters, which are manufacturing, services, and production, thus enabling the teaching and training of IR 4.0 skills to individuals in various industries. In turn, this will enhance the productivity of these industries and spur socio-economic growth in Malaysia. Thank you.